Alright, we got the Veetireco Speedsters installed a few days ago. We're going to kind of compare these to the zigzags because from the sounds of it, it is about the same. You don't hear any road noise when you're riding. And the roads are bumpy. And I don't know how well it picks it up on the camera, but you definitely cannot hear any road noise. I still gotta make some adjustments on my brakes too. We're gonna drive over to my filming spot so I can show you what these tires look like. They sound pretty good. Oh, they don't have very much sound at all, just like the zigzags. They got a little bit more traction, and from what I hear, these are pretty decent in rain and stuff, so not that I'll ever really drive my bike in rain. But if you go through puddles and stuff, you know, you don't have to worry about it being slick. This guy's way. Alright, we're out here with the Lectric XP. I just installed the Veetireco Speedsters, which are sexy and they sound good and they have a cool tread pattern. And it says Veetireco right here, and then Veetireco right here, and then Speedsters, and it actually says E-Speedster front. And we got the back ones here. They're super nice. They have really good traction, very quiet, probably my favorite ones. Now they do come in white wall and then an off-white wall, like a natural color, I think is what they call it. I don't know if they're in stock. They are having a shortage, just like everybody is in the e-bike world. However, if you continue to check their website, if they're not in stock, I believe they should be stocking up soon, but they look really good on here with the XP and the custom wrap job. Dual motor setup, aftermarket hydraulic brakes, and I'm going to do a lot more to this bike here soon. I'm going to be adding BMX bars, probably front suspension. However, I may be reconsidering that part. I don't know yet. After watching Citizen Cycle's video where he installed a set of front suspension forks on his hub motor and it broke it clearly off. Now I do have a torque arm. He had 2 torque arms on his. I don't know how his setup was. I'd have to actually look at it. We got the 500 watt nominal motor in the back. I think it peaks at 800, and then this 1000 watt peaks at 1800. So it's relatively quick. I get a GPS speed reading of about 30 miles an hour, so I'm a heavy rider too, so if you're lighter you might be able to go faster. Got the aftermarket headlight on here. It's a lot brighter than the stock one. We got a horn, which isn't currently working for some reason. I got my universal bag that I literally install on every bike when I go out because it has all my tools in it. Phone holder, you know, the whole 9 yards. And then I got my second battery and second controller back here. You guys should know that if you've seen my video. If you haven't seen my video, I'll link it up above. But yeah, we got some more plans for the XP this year, which includes probably adding front suspension and BMX bars. But we're gonna have to check that out and see. I don't know what I'm gonna do now that I saw that video. But the XP is probably one of my favorite bikes. It is my first e-bike, which started this channel. Really got things to take off. And I'm almost to 2,500, so halfway to 5,000 subscribers. And I'm hoping I hit 3 by the end of the year. But this video is all about the Veetireco Speedsters. We're going to go out and take some test drives today so you can listen to the audio and see if you can actually tell what they sound like. I don't know if you can. They're really quiet. They are 100% quieter than the CST BFT that comes on stock or the Chow Yangs. Those things are so loud when you ride. These, you can't even hear them. You barely hear any noise, which is what I want, is to reduce the noise so when I'm riding my bike around at night, people don't have to listen to that loud noise like I'm an off-road vehicle. That was my biggest reason for wanting to put these on in the first place. But there you go. I'm going to ride around and grab the 360 camera, and we're going to continue our trip and let you guys listen to this a little bit more. So this is just a quick one. I am going to do a full review of these once I ride them a little bit more, and the zigzags, and I do have some Huntsmen that I'm going to be installing on another bike, so we'll be able to do a comparison of all 3, and I'll let you know what I think about them. Like I said, I got one more set of tires to install to test out. Then we'll do a full comparison of all three. That'll be a separate video. So we got several more videos coming with these tires. The Veetireco tires. So stick around if you would enjoy that or have any questions or anything. Leave a comment, like this video, and subscribe if you want to see more of my V-Tire series. And you know, many other things that are on the channel. As you can tell if you look at my different videos, I got a lot of toys. So those toys bring you guys content. And I'm constantly looking at swapping those toys out and bringing new things to the channel. So if that's something you're interested in, hit that subscribe button. Turn on your notifications to be notified when I upload. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.